Let us take a look at Rapid Application Developer by MAQ software and how to use it. This app provides no-code solution for adding or updating business logic on Dynamics 365 forms. After downloading the solution from Marketplace, click on Import. Browse the file. Then click on Next, and then click on Import. It might take a couple of minutes for the solution to be imported successfully. Now that we have finished importing the solution, let's configure the business logic for an entity. Let us go to Test Solution and open Contact Entity. Move to the Forms section. Select the main form for Contact Entity. Navigate to Form Libraries, and click on Add Library. Make sure to follow the same order given here. First, add Business Logic Utility Library to the form editor. Now, add Retrieve Business Logic Library. Next, configure the event handlers as shown in the video. Make sure to pass execution context as the first parameter to the function. Then, click on Done. Click on Save. Click on Publish to publish the changes. Navigate to Business Logic Configuration Entity. To create a new Business Logic Configuration record, click on the New button. Enter the logical name of the entity for which you would like to create the configuration. In our example, it is Contact. Give a meaningful name for the configuration. Before adding the JSON for business logic, let's understand the structure of the JSON. The key underscore entity represents the logical name of the entity. Underscore field is the logical name of any of the fields in the entity. An operator is used to compare the value of the field. Operators can be EQ, NEQ, null, not null, in, and not in. To put in simple words, this condition means if the field new underscore is student and contact entity equals to true. If the condition is student is true, then the first array in the success block is executed. The second can be read as if the field new underscore is student is equal to false. The second array of the success block is executed. If none of the conditions are true, then the actions in the failure block are executed. Dependee fields are a set of fields. On change of any of the fields mentioned in dependee fields array, the entire JSON object is evaluated again. Let's copy and paste the JSON object in the record. And save the record. Now, refresh the contact form. As you can see, since the field is contact a student is true, the field of job title, business phone and fax are not visible. And there are only two options in preferred method of contact instead of 4. When we change the value of is contact a student to false, the field's job title, account name and fax are visible. Now, let's create another business logic configuration to set the value of a field based on a condition, for say, setting the correct salutation using gender and marital status. Fill all the details just like before. First condition is when the contact's gender is equal to male. Then in the first success block, we are setting the value of the field salutation to Mr. Second condition states if the gender is female and marital status is single. Then salutation value is set to Miss. The third condition is when gender is female, but marital status is married. Then we set the value of salutation to Mrs. If none of the conditions are true, then the statements in the failure block will be executed, which means, salutation will be empty. Let's copy the JSON into business logic and save it. Then just refresh the application to reflect the changes. Now go to the Details tab. As you can see, gender is female and marital status is married, hence salutation is Mrs. If we change the marital status to single, the salutation changes to Miss. That's all for the demo of Rapid Application Developer app. Thank you for watching this video. Please post your queries on the link provided in the description below.